Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting everything that proves the account is yours. Explain who you are, provide the linked email, and add the exact username. These details speed review. Once done, capture screenshots of the ban screen and any recent actions that might look suspicious, because visual proof avoids guesswork. Make sure to gather receipts or transaction ID for purchases. They demonstrate ownership and often lead to faster unbans. You now open the official support channel and submit a concise, factual ticket. Describe what happened in chronological order and attach your screenshots, receipts, device model, and timestamp so reviewers can correlate logs quickly. Use a neutral tone. Aggression delays responses, while clarity speeds them up. Once submitted, note the ticket number and check spam folders for replies, because many decisions hinge on back-and-forth evidence and timely responses. You finish by patiently following up after 48 to 72 hours with the ticket ID and any new evidence. This keeps the case active without spamming. If you get a denial, politely ask for the exact evidence and the specific rule violated so you can craft a targeted appeal. And if things still fail, use account recovery tools or verify the linked email. These alternative paths often resolve temporary bans when support queues are slow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.